everyone, welcome back to the Shimmer Tales. Today I'm going to be talking about my February favorites. I know it's March already, but then yeah, hope it helps you as well the next time you go and want to purchase some of these. So let's begin. So the first product here is this perfume from Givenchy. I really love it. So this is a 50 ml bottle and it has a very fruity fragrance. I love how it's tiny, it's easy to carry anywhere. You can, carry it even while traveling. So this is the perfect one for this month for me. I mean, this was one of the most favorite ones for this month. So the next thing that I have here is these sunglasses from Burberry. I really loved it the minute I saw it, and I started troubling my dad to get it for me. So yeah, this is how it actually looks like. I really love it. I really love how the shape of the frame is and everything. And yeah, because summers are going to come, shortly, and I really love sunglasses. I have a huge collection, so this one is one of my favorites. Okay, so the third product that I have here is this foundation from Maybelline's Fit Me collection. I know I've been talking a lot about it, and it is like the latest on my blog. Okay, so I really use it on a daily basis, and I found it really light, and it doesn't leave the skin patchy or anything as such. So more details are on the blog. I mentioned it in the description box below so that you can go and read the entire thing and get all the details of it. Okay, so the next product that I have here is this lipstick from Chanel. I know, I must be buying a lot of lipsticks and everything, and you all know how much I love lipsticks, and this one is one of my most favorite ones of late. I was literally, okay, the story behind this is, so what happened was that I was dying to get this lipstick after Devushi had mentioned in her video, and the thing is, I generally do not really use a lot of pinks. I use mostly corals and more towards the red sides and all that. But then after I saw this in her video, I was like, okay, I need to get this. And the worst part is Chanel is not in Hyderabad. It's in Delhi, it's in Mumbai, it's in Chennai as well. But I rarely have people who actually visit those places frequently. So to my escape, I had my friend Ritma's mom coming down to the US, and then she got this for me, and I was so damn happy that finally I have this lipstick, and I really love how it is. It is on my lips right now, and I'll just show you a swatch of it as well. So I love how the packaging is. You have to press this and pull this out, and then this is how the shade is. I'll show you a swatch of this. This is how the shade looks like. It's a really pretty pink shade, and I really like it. It's a little bright, but then it's not a very bright or something like that. It's a very nice and sweet color, you can say. You can wear it on a regular basis and people will love it. The shade 138 for your ease. I hope that's how it's pronounced. The next product is this nail polish from Nykaa. It was on my nails all throughout February. It's in the shade 23. It's Bubble Yum. It's a nice pinky shade, and I really liked it. It was on my nails all throughout Feb. So the next product that I have here is this Revlon matte lip balm, you can say. It has a really nice shade. It's in the shade 205, and I'll show you a swatch of it. So this is a swatch of it. So it is really smooth on your lips. As it says, it's a matte balm. It stays on. It makes your lips more soft and smooth. It doesn't really crease out your lips, and I really love the shade. So the next product that I have here is this Plum Eye Pencil, and it comes along with this sharpener. Okay, so I have to really tell you about this. It's really dark. It's intense. It doesn't smudge at all. It stays all day, and I mean, this is the best thing that I've used till date. And the best part is, okay, if you want the tip to be round, then you can sharpen it accordingly that way, and if you want it to be pointed, you can do it like that as well. So this is a two-way use sharpener, and it's really nice. I recommend this eye pencil badly. You can use it as an eyeliner, as a normal kajal, and it will stay all day. Trust me, it didn't smudge at all. I was there out for the entire day, and it stayed just like how it was in the morning. So I say this is the best product ever. So this is one bottle I had got in Jan maybe, but then I've been using it regularly in Feb, and it says my bottle. It's really cute, and I got this from a store called Under 500, and you know, you have a lot of other things as well which are priced at under 500. That is, I mean, it is so reasonable, right? And this bottle was for around say 450 or 350 roughly, and it's so cute. I really like it, and I use it to the gym or any other thing like that. I love this. So the next product that I have here is this night cream from Italy. I really loved it. It was there in my MSM box last month, and it's first thing, it smells very fresh. What you have to do is you have to just apply it all over your face and leave it overnight. It's like a night mask. It does a lot of repair to your skin and any dry areas, and when you actually get up next morning, you can just wash it off, and trust me, you'll have a proper glow on your face which you've been looking for. And you know, it was like I never mentioned about this actually to anyone, and like many people next day had actually told me I had guests over at my place, and even they were actually telling that your face is literally glowing, did you do like a lot of makeup or something, and trust me that I had no makeup on my face. So this had done all the wonder that day to my skin, and I really suggest everyone to get a full size of it. I think this is priced for 350 or something. I think this is just a sample size, but then I think the full size is for a little more. I'll just find out and mention in the description box below. So do try this out, and I thank MSM Box for actually sending this product down. So last but not the least, I'd like to talk about two of these phone covers. They are from this brand called Cover It Up. I really love this one. It was there on my phone through, you know, almost throughout Feb. I mean, the last 2 weeks of Feb, this was constant on my phone, and this is the other one which was in the starting week of Feb. I really like it because it is clearly apt, you know, for my blog, the Shimmer Tales, and it is like, you know, all blinky, so I really love this cover a lot. And this one has a really pretty print on it, and I really like the color of it as well. So it's like the perfect thing to get from Cover It Up, and it is really reasonable. I think both the phone covers are for roughly, like each is for 450, and I really feel the quality and everything, and the packaging of it was like perfect. They delivered it on time and everything, so I really love both these covers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like the products that I showed you, and hope it helps you a lot. And do let me know if you liked this video. Do subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this. Yes, I'm trying to get better and better with the videos, and from now on it will be a little more better and a little more easier to understand and look at. So yes, do you know, keep watching, because I will try to give more than my best to this. I'll be coming up with many more videos like this. Thanks a lot.